Okay, well, here I am, Shannon Kringen, Goddess KRING, walking in the park, testing this device. This is what I see. I'm hearing lots of loud traffic going by, and I'm shooting a video in the forest right next to the main road, so it's really not that peaceful, but this is like my perspective, and I'm just curious what this looks like. And there's my tattoo that means be yourself no matter what they say. There's a Sting song called Englishman in New York. So I'm just enjoying the trees and the smell of the pine needles in the forest. And the big tree. I'm a bit of a tree hugger for sure. Thank you, beautiful tree, for being here. That's a wrap on this video. Goddess KRING, Shannon Kringen in the park.